This video focuses on the 9-sensor array, otherwise known as the IMU. This smartware can tell you its orientation in 3D space, how fast or slow it is moving, and magnetic forces around it. Because it can do so many things that are often challenging to fully use, it is considered an advanced smartware. The menu only has one block, but it covers everything the 9-sensor array can do. This block is the Get IMU data block, and it can get three different types of data: gyro, or its orientation in space; acceleration, or its speed in space; and magnetometer, or the direction of the strongest magnetic force in space. The gyro option is going to tell you if the piece is right side up, upside down, sideways, and so on. The acceleration option is going to tell you the speed of the piece as it moves around, how fast it's moving. The magnetometer option is going to act like a compass, with the strongest magnetic force being from the north. Each of these options can give you data based on the three-dimensional axes: the x-axis, the y-axis, and the z-axis. To show off what this smartware can do, first grab the Get IMU data block and connect it to the start. Now, grab three display value blocks from the logging menu. On the 9-sensor array block, click on all three triangle buttons to open up the pins for each option: gyro, acceleration, and magnetometer. You'll see the options for X, Y, and Z axes for all of them. Connect the 9-sensor array block to each display value block, and then, choosing a specific axis, link the pins for each option to the value pins on the display value blocks. Make sure each option has one display value block assigned to it. Loop the display value blocks back to the 9-sensor array block, then launch the code. Once you launch the code, you will see numbers start to flash along on the display value blocks. Though it may seem confusing, these are in fact the calculations for orientation in 3D space, acceleration, and magnetic forces. Another thing you can do to make it easier to understand is to use a log values over time block from the logging menu and connect that to one of the options instead of the display value block. It should give you a graph of the data collected. That was everything that the 9-sensor array can do. Hopefully now you have a better understanding of what the smartware is capable of and how you might be able to use it in your plans.